Take a ride in the 2023 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.